Question number 16, they have given the angle of elevation of the top of a tower from 2 points. One is at a distance of 4 meter and another one is at a distance of 9 meter from the base of the tower in the same straight line. One is at a distance of 4 meter and the other is at a distance of 9 meter. They are telling that the angle of elevation to the top of the tower from both these points are complementary to each other. Complementary means the sum of the angles. I will write it for you to understand better. Sum of these two angles is equal to 90 degree. That is called complementary angles. Now you have taken your first angle to be theta, that is theta plus theta 2 equal to 90 degree. Then your second angle will be 90 degree minus theta. That is what we have written here. Now using this, they are asking us to prove that the height of the tower is going to be 6 meter. Now we will first take the smaller triangle. In triangle BPQ, we are going to relate the opposite side and the adjacent side. So we are going to use tan theta. Tan theta is the ratio of opposite side and adjacent side. Angle is theta. So we are going to write it as tan theta equal to opposite side is PQ, adjacent side is BQ. Substituting the values, we get tan theta equal to PQ is H and BQ is 4. You keep this as relation 1. Now considering the bigger triangle, in triangle APQ, again we are going to relate the opposite side and the adjacent side, but now the angle alone is changing. So we are going to have tan 90 minus theta. Tan 90 minus theta equal to opposite side is PQ, adjacent side is AQ. So we are going to have, you know that complementary angles are there. Tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. So we are going to have cot theta equal to PQ is H by AQ is 9. But cot theta is inverse of tan theta. So this is nothing but 1 by tan theta equal to H by 9. Taking tan theta to that side, 9 and H to this side, then we will have, or just write the inverse, taking inverse on both sides, you have tan theta equal to tan theta by 1 is equal to 9 by H. That is, we have tan theta equal to 9 by H. This is your second result. Now you can see that tan theta here is H by 4, tan theta here is 9 by H. Tan theta is going to be the same. So since left hand sides are same, right hand sides also should be equal. So you equating the right hand sides, we have H by 4 equal to 9 by H. Taking this H to this side, we will have H into H, that is H square equal to 9 into 4. That is, we have H square equal to 36. So H is going to be square root of 36. We are going to take only the positive value because it is measurement here. So your h value is going to be 6 meter, and that is what we have to prove. We have proved that the height of the tower is 6 meter. So finally you can write, hence proved. Gaushi.